just a bird.
Oh my God, there's a second one. What are the odds? Do you know how rare the golden-cheeked warbler is?
The bird.
If we're really lucky, we'll hear them sing. Their song is so distinctive. I don't think you realize how rare these things are.
I don't.
Like, really rare. This is really something else, let me tell you. Wait.
Are we going to do this all day?
What?
Birds all day?
I think they're mating.
So, are you going to homecoming or do you
Listen to the way he tries to court her with her song. And how he jumps from branch to branch, impressing her with his leap.
Are they just friends or... the birds?
The golden-cheeked warblers?
Yeah,
Friends?
yeah. Are they just friends or do they just do it?
I only know others make friends.
So they just hook up.
They mate.
So they just mate.
They don't just mate. Look at the way he hops from branch to branch. It's a chess match. He's trying to win her attention, her attraction.
And what if she doesn't notice him?
Oh, she'll notice. She's on the lookout. It's mating season.
And this hopping thing, that's all he's got?
What?
I mean, does he have like a pickup line or does he become friends with her? Does he start a friendship?
Birds don't really make friendships.
Right.
I mean, some of them do.
Really?
Flamingos, most ducks. A lot of birds, really. They're monogamous.
You don't believe in gay marriage?
No! They don't believe in mating with multiple birds. They don't believe in anything. They're birds.
Right. But some of these birds, they mate and it all works out like monogamy's like, right?
Well, yeah. Oh, and there are some real cool mating rituals, too. The frigate bird puffs up his chest like a balloon. And the grebe does a cool little ballet dance. And there's this parrot where the male vomits into the female's mouth. That's really a sight to see.
And this all works.
Yeah.
Kind of makes you want to be a bird.
What?
You know, so you can vomit inside a girl's mouth. It's so simple. You just vomit inside her mouth and she loves you.
And she mates with you. Love is a social construct.
Like gender?
Yes, like gender.
I've been reading those articles you've been posting. I don't get them. But I'm trying. What if we were birds?
Kenneth?
No, like, what if I was one of those warblers over there? And you were one of those warblers over there, and I was trying to mate with you.
We're not warblers, Kenneth.
No, I know, but what would it take?
To do what?
To be your boyfriend, whatever, like, what would it take? Would it take a song, a dance, a puffy chest? Just tell me, I would do it all.
Oh! They flew away.
Who?
The birds, Kenneth. Man, that might be the last time we ever see one of those, let alone two.
I love you.
Kenneth.
No, I really do. I think I love you.
Kenneth, you don't love me. Your hormones are raging and your penis is telling you you're in love.
Exactly.
That's not love.
It's not?
Kenneth.
Claire!
Look, the answer is no today.
And tomorrow?